Hey, how is everybody doing today? So today I'm going to be doing a camera comparison between my Canon M50 versus my Canon G7X Mark II. Now I'm going to be running both of these cameras at 1080p, and also I'm going to be doing a onboard audio comparison between these both, so make sure you look at the speaker icon where exactly it is. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Now I'm also going to be doing some zoom, the minimum and the max on both of these. And just in case if you guys are wondering, the beginning part of the video I was recording with my Samsung Galaxy S8 1080p on the front side, okay? So right now I'm actually in some shade, so give it like a little bit of low light here. And we'll go ahead and do a little bit of walking. I also wanted you to look at the stabilization as I'm walking here. Let's go into like a darker area. How about right here? Let me go ahead and bend down here, and we can see the sunlight right out here. Let me go ahead and walk on over here, and let me go ahead and zoom up close on something too. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and look at this bark here on the ground. Let me just go ahead and go in really close here. And let me walk out here more to the sunlight here. Let me go ahead and point at the sun too. Let's see. Oh wow, the sun is actually directly above me. And well, that's directly pointed at the sun. And let's go ahead and zoom in somewhere, okay? Let me start with the G7X Mark II here. Let me keep on zooming in here. Zooming in all the way. We're at 3X now. 4.2. 8.4. We're at 11 right now. 13. 17X. Okay, so that's the max. And now for the Canon M50, let's go all the way in. And okay, so that's the furthest that it'll zoom for the M50. Let me go ahead and zoom back out. And then the same thing for the G7X Mark II. Okay, finally we're back at 1X for both of these. Okay, so now you guys can see me. I have the viewfinders on both of them pointing towards me. The G7X Mark II, the flip screen goes on top and the M50 goes on the side. The only thing is between these two cameras is the G7X Mark II, it doesn't have no mic port. So you can't hook up an external mic on the Canon G7X Mark II. However, you could hook up an external mic on the Canon M50. And let me just continue to walk around here. I'll go under this shade right here. And I'll go ahead and move in. I'll move out. I'll go ahead and take it off my face, and we'll check out the autofocus right here. Boom. Let's do that again. Ready? Bam. Okay, let me go ahead and continue to get out of the jungle here. It's a nice, beautiful day out here. It's kind of hot. I'm actually sweating a little bit. And you can hear the birds chirping. I'm hoping you're able to hear that. And I'm directly under the sunlight again. And let's go ahead and move on over here under some shade again. Now I'm going to go back out into the sun. Well, there you guys go. Let me know which one out of these two you think records better in 1080p. Now, I'm also going to be doing some comparing tests between like these cameras as well as smartphones as well. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. I need to go back and get my my phone and the octopus tripod. Oh, there it is. All right, see you guys.